BrainBobble presents the surprising benefits of listening to your gut instincts. Are you the kind of person who tends to second-guess your decisions or rely too heavily on logic and reasoning? In today's video, we'll uncover the incredible power of trusting your gut instincts. Drawing from a range of scientific studies and real-life examples, you will explore how listening to your intuition can lead to better decision-making, increased confidence, and even better relationships. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer in the power of gut feelings, this video will leave you with a newfound appreciation for this often overlooked aspect of your inner self. 1. Developing psychic abilities. Have you ever had a hunch or gut feeling that turned out to be true? Well, according to a study published in the Journal of Parapsychology, following your intuition may actually help improve your psychic abilities. The study found that practicing intuition-based exercises can help enhance your ability to perceive and understand information beyond the five senses. This means that you may be able to tap into a higher level of consciousness and gain insights that you wouldn't otherwise be able to access. So next time you have a feeling in your gut, don't ignore it. Listen to your intuition and trust that it may be leading you towards a greater understanding of the world around you. 2. Strengthening intuition. Did you know that trusting your gut instincts could help improve your overall sense of well-being? According to a study published in Consciousness and Cognition, people who rely on their intuition when making judgments tend to have a better sense of emotional balance and satisfaction in life. By listening to your inner voice and following your instincts, you may be able to make choices that align better with your values and priorities, which can ultimately lead to a greater sense of happiness and fulfillment. So the next time you're faced with a tough decision, take a moment to tune in to your gut feelings. You never know, it could be the key to unlocking a happier and more satisfying life. 3. Opening up to synchronicity. Following your intuition can lead to more synchronicities in your life, those meaningful connections or coincidences that seem to come out of nowhere and can feel like small miracles. By tuning into your inner voice and embracing the possibilities, you create a kind of magnetism that draws in these magic experiences. These synchronicities may seem small, but they have the power to change the course of your life and open up new possibilities you never thought possible. If you find yourself feeling stuck or at a crossroad, take a moment to trust in the power of synchronicity to guide you on your journey. Who knows what kind of magic and wonder may be waiting for you, just around the corner. 4. Unlocking your creative potential. In The Artist's Way, Julia Cameron talks about the power of listening to your muse as a way to unlock creativity and generate new ideas. By tuning into your intuition and trusting your inner voice, you can gain access to your own unique muses that can help you tap into a higher level of consciousness and artistic inspiration. Creative blocks and self-doubt are common obstacles that stand in the way of unleashing your potential, yet with patience and curiosity, you can open yourself up to explore new paths and possibilities. It is through this process of unlocking creative potential that you find clarity and confidence in your pursuits and start to bring your passionate visions to life. 5. Developing greater emotional resilience. Recent research published in the journal Emotion has revealed that trusting your gut feelings when it comes to interpersonal relationships can have a significant impact on emotional resilience. By taking a moment to pause, listen to your inner voice, and access your own wisdom and discernment when it comes to navigating difficult situations, you can learn to trust yourself as a reliable source of guidance. Doing so leads to greater clarity, security, and resilience in handling relationships with others, allowing you to trust your gut more often and develop stronger connections with those around you. 6. More confident decision-making. Trusting your gut feelings can be a powerful tool when it comes to decision-making. Often, your subconscious mind will pick up on clues or patterns that are not immediately apparent to your conscious mind. When you tune into those gut instincts, you're able to access that information and incorporate it into your decision-making process. This can help you make more informed decisions more quickly, as you're not spending as much time analyzing and weighing pros and cons. 7. Improved physical and mental health. Trusting your gut instincts can have a significant impact on both your physical and mental health. Constantly second-guessing yourself and seeking external validation can lead to high levels of stress and anxiety. When you learn to trust your instincts, you're relying on your own innate wisdom, which can be a great stress relief. It can feel liberating to know that you have the power to make decisions that are right for you, without having to constantly seek approval from others. This sense of autonomy can lead to a greater sense of control over your life and a deeper sense of self-acceptance, which can lower stress levels and improve mental health. Additionally, reducing stress levels can have a positive impact on physical health as well, as chronic stress has been shown to increase the risk of a number of health problems such as heart disease and stroke. By learning to trust your instincts, you can improve both your mental and physical well-being, leading to a happier and healthier life. Trusting and listening to your gut instincts can have a profound positive impact on your life. While it may be difficult to tap into this intuition at first, with practice and reflection, it can become a guiding force in your decision-making process. Whether it's starting a new hobby, booking that dream trip, or saying yes to a new opportunity, your gut instincts can lead you towards the best outcomes for yourself. So the next time you find yourself at a crossroads, take a deep breath and listen to that inner voice. It just may surprise you with the amazing things it can accomplish. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.